Hello everyone, this is my life for Ayer. Today's vlog, well, nothing's happening, so nothing's happening, you might as well just come back tomorrow. Today I bought an energy bar, protein bar. I always wonder what they taste like. Like, you know, this kind of bar that people go to the gym to eat this. They have also the protein powders and stuff, and they make a drink, protein shake, and the drink. Sounds disgusting, but yeah, I'm kind of curious what this is about. Here there's 3 tiers. It's prima, durante, dopo. Okay, it means you're supposed to eat this after workout. Okay. Well, I didn't work out, but I did climb some staircase, and I did just come back from work. I did took a walk. I did take a bus. I guess that's enough workout for me today, so I'm gonna just open it and eat. I don't care about the instruction. I'm gonna open it. It's my first time ever eating a protein bar. I'm curious what it tastes like. Is it sweet? Is it salty? Does it have a magic potion kind of effect that just make you powerful, give you strength instantly? I'm curious. It just looked like a chocolate bar. It doesn't look nothing really particular. It just looked like a regular chocolate bar. Let's take a bite. It's hard. Okay, the inside is pretty solid. That sure does feel like a protein, something tough. It's very tough. You have to chew it. I don't know what it is made of. It offers you 16 grams of protein. And I just checked, if you drink a liter of milk, you get 32 grams of protein. So I don't know. Maybe drinking milk is better option if you drink 1 liter at a time. It's sweet. It's mildly sweet. It's not super sweet, not like a chocolate bar, but it does have very nice taste. So I would say it's very pleasant to eat this. At least the coating, chocolate coating, is obviously sweet. The inside, I'm not sure. The inside is very, very mildly sweet, I guess. Mild, or maybe not sweet at all, I don't know. But it's pleasant. It tastes good. This is something I could eat for, you know, as a snack. Not necessarily for growing muscles. I'm actually working out by holding the camera in my hand. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you another time.